Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I said let me come and share one or two things with us because a lot of people has been asking me, oh, Progress the Analyst, what is happening? Since December 15th, where everybody witnessed what was said about the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kano, that since then they've not heard anything, nothing like saying, oh, his next court hearing is also date, the case has been adjourned also date. Meanwhile, we know that the case is now from the Supreme Court to the Federal High Court, and since then we've not heard anything, and the disturb is really massive. So today I said let me break the silence and tell my people exactly what is on board, and I am going to tell you this from a reliable source, which is the legal personnel to Mazi Nnamdi Kano, the person of Barrister ALOY EJIMAKOR, what press release on 8th January 2024 from ALOY EJIMAKOR to all media. Mazi Nnamdi Kano decries strange delay in transmitting his case file from the Supreme Court to the Federal High Court. During my routine visitation with Mazi Nnamdi Kano today, the 8th January 2024, at the DSS in Abuja, our discussion centered mainly on the persisting future of the Supreme Court to enroll its 15th December 2023 judgment on Kano's case and transmission of the case file to the Federal High Court, as was ordered by the court on said 15th December. This delay is unusual and thus unacceptable to Mazi Nnamdi Kano, and he strongly condemned it. In a case where Kano has been in detention for 2.5 years and it is in public and to the knowledge of everyone that he is grievously ill, one would expect that it should not take almost 1 month to clarify the judgment and transmit the case file to the Federal High Court. And from what we are hearing, it might as well take over a month. Contrast this with election petition case where judgments are read and certified in as little as a day or two and made available to parties. In particular, given the fact that Kano's case cannot go forward without his case file being physically transmitted to the Federal High Court and the judgment thereof certified, any prolongation of taking this step becomes legally injurious to Kano as he continued to be detained accordingly. And by the press release, we strongly urge the judiciary and administrative leadership of the Supreme Court to take preeminent steps by transmit Kano's file to the Federal High Court and make certified true copies of the judgment available to his lawyers. This is what the justice of the case demand at the point in time. Now, this is coming to you from the legal personnel, the legal representative to Mazi Nnamdi Kano, which is the person of Barrister ALOY EJIMAKOR. Now he is trying to explain to us what is on board. And now it happens that Mazi Nnamdi Kano laments Supreme Court fails to transfer the case file to Federal High Court. Oh my goodness. Mazi Nnamdi Kano is tired at this moment, trying to let everybody know that he don't know why Mazi Nnamdi Kano the case is delaying, why they don't want to transmit his case file from the Supreme Court to the Federal High Court. You all know that this is the agreement from his last court hearing where they said that the case should be transferred to the Federal High Court. Now, there should be an order. Everything should be done orderly. Now, it happens that the case file has not been transmitted to the Federal High Court, and that is what they are waiting for. Now the question is, why are they delaying it? Why is it that they don't want to have anything to do as per the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Why is everywhere silent? Why is nobody saying anything about it? Now the lawyer is coming out to tell you that every time they normally go to Federal High Court to check, and it happens that the case file has not been transmitted to that court. So if they did not transfer the case file to that place, there is no way anything, no update, no sitting, no hearing, no case will be heard about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. What they need to do, they have to report to the Federal High Court that the case is no longer in the Supreme Court, is now moving back to the Federal High Court. But at this very moment, nothing of such. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is trying to also raise alarm that this thing is getting too delayed. Continuality of this case is getting pissed off. Now, do you know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in that place now for 2.5 years, and nobody is saying anything about it? Not even the people that say that, oh, if I become the governor of this, if I become the leader, if I become the president, if I become this, everything will work out, everything will be okay. So what is really going on right now? So this is what the lawyer is not trying to tell the general public. These are not my words. They are the word of the lawyer to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that is representing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, trying to say that he don't know what is happening anymore. He don't know why this thing is getting delayed, and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not also happy. As a matter of fact, the delay to everything is making him so tired. So right now, I'm also bringing it before you that what do you think that is the way forward to the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? What necessary action do you think that should be implemented for the federal government to be able to fix another date for the hearing of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or transmitting the case file from the Supreme Court to the Federal High Court? Do you think that there is something that they are not doing right that they should do right? Please, I want you to drop it in the comment section, because we all are here to learn. And idea you are seeing does not waste. A lot of people will be in the comment section to also read your own part, what you have to say concerning the issue. Do you think that there is something they are not getting right? Do you think that there is something they are doing wrong that need to be corrected for this thing to be able to come to pass? And again, why is it that they don't really want to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Do you think that the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu depend on this Biafra struggle, depend on the federal government, or does it depend on Biafra people? Do you need that there is any other action to be taken or to be carried out for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be released? Do you think that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in support of everything that is happening and he is so pleased? I can also think that why they have not yet released Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is because he still holds firm to the Biafra struggle, to what he believes. Because I know very well that if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu would have told them that I'm no longer interested in this Biafra or wanting, they would have left him for a very long time. I don't know. This is just my opinion. This is what I'm just saying from the perspective of everything that is happening. Don't you think that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still hold firm to what he believes? That is the struggle to get the dream country of Biafra. Right now, I don't really know, but I'm just saying it's just an opinion. You can also drop your opinion in the comment section if there is something that should be done, or there is something that should be changed for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be released. I'm also going to be in the comment section to also listen to you. So thank you so much, everyone, for your love. Thank you for the support. Please do well to share this with and let it go viral, so that people that have other opinion will also drop their own 1 cent opinion or advice concerning what is on ground. Thank you so much as I come your way next time. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst. I bring all the update to you back to back. Thank you once again, and bye-bye.